What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the Sneaker Circle.
Welcome back to another review.
Put it on her tongue and now she dancing. Gave her everything, now what you asking? Flip, make it.
So this could be considered the last consortium for the year. I think it is the last. No, because I know Invincible and Neighborhood are doing a pair of Adidas NMDs of mesh pair. Damn. All right, the second to last, the last UltraBoost. Let's put it that way. So I was originally kind of hesitant. I don't know. I really liked the first pair, and I saw the second pair as a sample, and then they decided to release it. So, you know, I was like, damn, I'll cop. And thankfully the hype on these wasn't too bad. It wasn't bad whatsoever. The last little look at the label there, if you're trying to cop a pair and you wanted to know. Mine's are directly from Sneakers and stuff. Let's go that way. Now, I do have a video on the first pair. I missed out on the first pair. Carl cooked on the first pair. He skipped these, and I actually did go for these. Ha, so funny, because they sat. These did sit on Sneakersntuff for a pretty long time. On social status, they sold out pretty quick. On most boutiques, they sold out pretty quick. But it wasn't a hard purchase if you were looking to buy them. And I know a lot of people are saying Boost is dying. But if you truly like Boost, that'll never die to you, bro. Resale wise, if you're in it to make a quick buck, yeah, that sucks. That sucks heavy, bro. But it's fine. Like, I'm gonna try to beat these. Now, I went with the 10.5 in these because I heard this model, because of like this right here, it made the shoe fit a little bit closer to 1.0s, and 1.0s do have a really snugger fit when it comes to it. This front toe right here, let me just bring it up close. It's a very nice material. It's a very nice, like, off-white beige kind of cream colorway. And just like the first pair, I'll probably have this in a playlist, if I'm being honest, or like link the first video down below if you guys want to check that out. It does start with a mesh. So it starts with a certain mesh coming up, this prime knit, whatever you want to call it. Feels almost like a wool or like a sweater. And then it changes above right here where the top of your foot is. It changes all the way to the back. So let me try to get it on camera. You can kind of tell the differences in patterns, and it's just for a nicer fit. It does have a real leather tag, but you won't necessarily find leather on the shoe unless you're looking directly on the insole. I'll pull that up for you in a bit. But you do have these suede accents right here, and on this like little mini wannabe pull tab, the little label that you usually see. On both shoes, you do, I already tried them on, so I could tell you guys they did fit pretty good. I was kind of happy sizing up. Shape wise, I don't like how they look in pictures. I don't like how they look like right here. Like, they have that problem that 3.0s have for me, where they like come up here on shape, but when I tried them on, it evens out and it gets like a nicer shape. Now, what I saw people do with the first pair is the first pair had a black right here, that Oreo colorway they had a black right here, and they actually removed that strip, and it was much nicer. So I'm gonna see if that's possible with this. I'll keep you guys updated on it and anything. So for the undersole, you have this really nice gray that matches this heel cup right here. UltraBoost is right there along with it. It's what is it called? What is that word I'm looking for? It's the same colorway, so it just like blends right in. Super dope. On both, you have, like I said, that suede pull tab. On the right shoe, you get that Adidas logo. On the left shoe, you get that that union handshake for the consortment pairs. And right here you have, so Adidas on the front, on the inside the handshake on the front, Adidas on the inside. If you're actually looking for like your own pair and you want to like legit check it, it does come with these laces that match closer to this right here. But I think I'm gonna stick white because that white's not like, if you can tell, it doesn't like completely go with the sole. It kind of is like a shade off, and dig that. So you have your Continental tag, you have your Adidas Lux. Is that what these are called? Lux? Alright, cool. You have your Lux tag, and you have that famous Adidas tag that you see with most collaborations, or most shoes in general, if I'm being honest. Now the insole on them is pretty dope as well. You have the consortium with the handshakes, and it's all leather. So let me bring this up. It's a touch that all the consortiums have that I've always been a fan of. comfort wise, I actually really liked it, because technically this is the first consortium pair that I managed to get that I want to keep. You feel me? Even if there was like a bit of resale on these, I really wanted these for me. I wanted a pair of UltraBoost I could just beat around in. I'm glad I have these, because the only other UltraBoost I have, if I'm being honest, are the Parlay 3.0s and then the Cream 1.0s. But those are kind of tight on me, so I need those in a 10.5. But now I have these in a 10.5, so I could give those a break. Alright, if you want to know anything else about the shoe, retail was $200. I got them directly off Sneakersntuff for $199 shipped, no tax, no nothing, which it was a blessing. I don't want to pay any extra fees for these, if I'm being honest. So everything was just like, it came into fruition, you feel me? What else can I say about these? I would show you the tag, but it's just so hard to get on camera. Everything about them is the same as any old UltraBoost, your torsion system, anything else. I was noticing that on these, damn, okay, so it's only on one pair. On my left pair, right here, you know the circles you look for in Yeezys? You can kind of find them on this boost as well, which I've never noticed before. Wow, it's only on that little section too. Never really noticed that before. Well, I'm not going to get too much into UltraBoost, because at this point you guys should know how UltraBoosts are. This is a really dope collab. I'm pretty sure you can still pick them up for retail if you are looking for them, or if you are in the market for a really nice pair of UltraBoost to beat around. It's better than your GR releases, and it's only like $20 more. It's you get a pattern you don't normally see anymore. I like these a little bit better than any 3.0 if I'm going to be honest, or 2.0 if I'm being honest. 1.0s, I'll go with the other ones over these. 4.0s, I kind of dig them. I'll see if I can get a collab. I'm really looking for those New Year ones that come out. I'll try to get a video on those. But for now, I'm gonna call it quits, guys. Love you guys. Take care. Before you go, please like and subscribe. Shoot me a comment down below. Show me some love. Follow me on Instagram at the Sneaker Circle. Let me know how your vacations were. Let me know what you got. If you cop these, actually, you know what? I'm pretty intrigued what you guys think about these. And I know it says real leather right here, but I'm pretty sure that's only because of the suede accents on the shoe. This cage is plastic like every other UltraBoost out there. I'm gonna catch you guys next year. Have a happy holiday. Take care of your loved ones. I love you. Bye.